Hello and welcome to all the managers and engineers in the kingdom's industrial sector. You know this better than anyone. One single moment of downtime, just one unexpected shutdown, can cost you millions. We're AskA Solution, and over the next few minutes, we're going to break down how to protect your operations from those threats that, well, probably keep you up at night. So, let me start with a direct question. Just think about your facility for a second. The whole operation. How secure is it really? And I'm not just talking about a fence or a guard at the gates. I mean, from every single angle, both physical and digital. Because that's the scary part, isn't it? It only takes one tiny gap, one little vulnerability that maybe gets overlooked, and your entire operation can just stop. In critical sectors like oil and gas or manufacturing, a single incident isn't just a problem, it's a potential catastrophe.
But what does a breach actually cost you? See, it's not just about that initial incident. The real damage it's like a chain reaction, a domino effect that ripples through your whole organization. And the first problem is really just the beginning.
Exactly. So first, you get operational downtime. Production stops, project schedules are thrown into complete chaos. Then comes the financial hit. You're dealing with stolen assets, lost production. After that, your reputation takes a hit. But here in the kingdom, there's another really critical layer: regulatory non-compliance. Failing to meet the standards of the High Commission for Industrial Security, or HCIS, that's not just a fine. It can put your entire license to operate at risk.
And voila, we see this all the time. As a Saudi company, we are right here on the ground. We see it happen. The small vulnerability that someone thought was no big deal, and then it just explodes into this massive, expensive crisis. We understand these challenges because we live and work right here beside you.
This number, it isn't just a statistic for us to show off. It's our promise to you. A 99.9% client satisfaction rate comes from one thing and one thing only. We specialize in preventing the very crises we're talking about. Our clients in the kingdom trust us to find that small crack in the system before it bursts. So how do we achieve that? Well, our philosophy is very simple. One partner for total security. We get rid of the complications, the gaps, and, the finger-pointing between different vendors. With AskA Solution, you get one team, one strategy, and one seamless shield that protects your entire operation. Just think about it for a minute. You might have one vendor for your CCTV, another for access control, and a third for your cybersecurity. It's a headache. It's inefficient. And honestly, it's dangerous because things get messed in the gaps between them. We just remove all of that complexity. We provide one seamless integrated shield that covers absolutely everything. Now, this integrated approach is built on a proven, structured blueprint. It's a process we've perfected over 30 years to guarantee protection from every angle. So let us walk you through exactly how it works. Our partnership with you follows this simple 4-step process. First, and this is the most important part, we listen. We do a really deep assessment to understand your unique vulnerabilities. From there, we design a custom security solution that's tailored to your needs. Our certified technicians then handle the entire installation and integration. But we don't just leave you there. We test everything, we train your team, and we provide ongoing 24/7 support. It's a true partnership from start to finish. Okay, so let's look at a common thread: unauthorized entry. To combat this, we deploy advanced access control systems. This is not just a lock and key. We're talking about technology from leaders like HID Global and ZK Teco, things like biometrics, secure encrypted keycards, and intelligent readers. This creates a digital gatekeeper, making sure only authorized people can ever get into your most sensitive areas. Next up, your perimeter. Undetected activity here is a massive risk. So our approach with partners like Axis and Hikvision goes way beyond just simple recording. We install real-time HD surveillance that's armed with smart analytics. What does that mean? It means the system itself is smart enough to detect unusual behavior. It knows the difference between a car that's just passing and a vehicle that's been lingering for too long. It can spot a person in a restricted area after hours and send an immediate alert. We turn your cameras from passive recorders into proactive sentinels. And of course, security today it's far beyond the physical fence. A cyber incident can be just as destructive, especially to your industrial control systems. That's why we build multi-layered network security. Tayyab, think of it like a castle, with multiple walls, a moat, and guards at every gate. By partnering with the best, like Cisco and Palo Alto networks, we protect your operational technology and encrypt your data, keeping your digital operations safe from the inside out.
So, we've covered a lot: access control, surveillance, cybersecurity. It's a lot of detail. But Tayab, if there's just one thing our listeners should take away from the AskA Solution approach, what would you say it is?
It's simple, really. Our approach is to integrate everything. Your physical security, your digital cyber defenses, your access control, it all works together as one seamless shield. Yani, what that means for you is you get total, comprehensive protection with zero headaches. No more dealing with 5 different companies. One partner, one point of contact, one responsibility. Complete peace of mind. Halas.
That promise, total protection with zero headaches, is what we deliver every single day. So let's move from our general approach to your specific facility. Let's talk about creating a custom security solution that is just for you. Because every facility is different. A petrochemical plant has completely different risks than a large-scale construction site or a manufacturing hub. A one-size-fits-all security plan, it just doesn't work in the complex industrial landscape of Saudi Arabia. Your plan has to be as unique as your operation is.
So why choose AskA Solution? It's simple. It's our unmatched local experience. Over 30 years right here in the kingdom. It's our uncompromising quality in every single thing we install. It's our dedicated 24/7 support that is always there for you. And finally, it's our promise of on-time delivery every single time. Our reputation depends on it.
And because you took the time to listen to this explainer today, we want to make a special offer. When you contact us, just mention you heard this explainer, and your facility will get a completely free, no-obligation security consultation with our top experts. Taking that next step is very simple. You can email our experts directly at sales@askasolution.com. Again, that's sales@askasolution.com. Or feel free to visit our website at askasolution.com to explore our services and get in touch with our team.
Don't wait for a small gap to become a catastrophic problem. Your protection, your operational continuity, and your peace of mind, it all begins here, with us. AskA Solution, Saudi Arabia's leading industrial security partner. Thank you.